Hi, boys and girls. This week, we're going to learn about similes. You're probably wondering what a simile is, so I'm going to tell you. What is a simile? A simile is a comparison between two things using the words as or like. Examples of a simile using as. He is as brave as a lion. Here is an example of a simile using the word like. My pillow is soft and fluffy like a cloud. Did you know that there are a lot of similes in everyday reading and TV and music? Well, right now I'm going to have you listen to some music and an advertisement, and all of these things contain similes. So it says here are some other similes you may have heard in songs, commercials, and on TV. See if you recognize any of these songs or words. Click on the link and watch the video. Did you recognize some of those songs? Well, now we're going to listen to a story that uses similes. It's kind of a silly story. And when we're finished, you're going to do something fun with the story. So click on the link and listen to this funny, silly story. I tried to use similes to describe a new member of my family. His name is Hunter, and he is my new 3-month-old puppy. So this is what I came up with. Hunter. Hunter is as big as a baby beluga. He is as clumsy as a bull in a china shop. Hunter chews on everything like a goat in the garbage. He eats like a horse. But most of all, Hunter is as cute as a button. Now, remember in the book how the author tried to make a picture using the things that he used in his similes? Well, I tried to do the same thing. It's kind of a silly picture, but let's see what I came up with. Here is my picture to go with my simile writing. You'll see I used a buffalo body because I said he was clumsy like a buffalo in a china shop. And you'll see some broken china around my picture. I said he is as big as a baby beluga. Well, there's my baby beluga tail. I said he eats like a goat's eating in the garbage. So there's 2 goats eating, and I used those goats as his paws. And I said he eats like a horse, and there are a horse that I used on Hunter's name tag on his collar. And I also included a button face because I said Hunter was as cute as a button. So now it's going to be your turn to try to do this. This is what I want you to do. I want you to write at least 3 similes to describe yourself, a pet, or someone in your family. Then please make a picture to go with your writing. When you start this assignment, be as brave as a lion. Your writing can even be as funny as a barrel of monkeys. So get to work and be as busy as a bee. Your writing will shine like a star. When you are finished, you should celebrate and sing like a bird and dance like the wind. Have fun. I will stay as snug as a bug in a rug while I wait for your responses. So you're going to use the templates now, and you're going to, first of all, write your similes. Remember, try to do at least 3. And then the next template you're going to use to draw your picture. When you're finished, click on the green arrow, the green check mark, and I can't wait to see these. Thanks, boys and girls.